Good morning, Pleasant Valley readers. Mrs. Jancy here. Happy Orange Day. I love wearing this outfit because it reminds me of our trip to Zambia, Africa. A couple years ago when we visited our daughter Melissa, she spent a year there as a teaching nurse and just loved getting to know people in that area of the country. Well, I have an update. We have some students who have already read one of the Virginia Reader Choice, and I want to do a shout out to Emma L. and Emma B. They've both already earned their red thinking putty, and I know there's another student who's in the middle of reading Avalanche. We have a second copy that's available, and just know this is a great read aloud too. That's one of the Virginia Reader's Choice, and it's available. When the books come back, I just wanted to let you know we're doing the safe practices. We put the books on vacation for 4 days, and then we take a Clorox wipe and clean them, and they're ready for the next reader. To celebrate Orange Day, I just wanted to let you know you can put these books on hold and they'll be ready at curbside on Monday between 4 and 6. We have Orange Animals. We also have the whole series of A to Z mysteries. This one's called The Orange Outlaw, a great series to get hooked on. We've got the whole series of The Green Lantern, Escape from the Orange Lanterns. That's also available. And another orange book, Pentina, which is part of Jason Reynolds' series. We've got the whole series available. Wink, one of our new choices that's also orange. And How to Steal a Dog. Barbara O'Connor weaves a great realistic fiction genre. And another orange book, The Mother Goose Diaries, which goes along with the Land of Stories series. And finally, Manana Land, a great read. If you like magical realism, this would be a book for you. Max is ready for a summer of soccer and working with his dad, but then he realizes to be part of the soccer team, he has to have a birth certificate. And that document has disappeared a long time ago, along with Max's mother. So Max goes on this quest to find out why his mother left. And some of his grandfather's stories might give him some clues on his quest. Available. You can place holds on Destiny, and it'll be ready for you at curbside on Monday. Take care and happy reading.